Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday morning. It's nearly 9 o'clock and nasa labas kami ni Baby Celine. Say good morning.
Good morning.
May appointment si mami niyo ngayon, guys. And dala-dala ko si Baby Celine kasi wala siyang school today. But, that's nice. Kami na. So, pupunta tayo ngayon. Dito lang malapit sa bahay, guys. Yung hairdresser na pinupuntahan ko usually. Kasi, it's time to get our hair done. So, in 4 days time, we are getting a year older. So, para hindi natin ma-feel na yung edad natin ay tumataas na, guys, magpagawa tayo ng buhok para.
I love my bubbles. I love my bubbles.
Kasi mahaba din naman na talaga yung tubo niya, guys. So, tingnan niyo, ang itim.
Mommy, you know I love my bubbles.
Do you? Oh, it's good to know.
Oh, that's from your...
Magpapakulay tayo ng buhok, guys. Tingnan niyo ha, kita ko ito yung before ng ating hair, oh. Tingnan niyo, ang haba-haba na. Haba-haba na. Kaya, it's time. It's time.
No one will know that these is... Then put it on again.
Yes. Okay.
Children. This dress is too long for me.
Is it?
It's the same as mommy.
I
This
think
is
it's perfect.
mommy. This is the same as my dress.
It's pink.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is light pink and this is red.
Gihigong mata ka.
Kikog mata ka.
Love it. Come on. Let's go, let's go. We're here. Morning, how are you?
My point is, if we do the full root color, make a little bit lighter, we can.
Yeah.
The problem is, in a few weeks, you notice the hair growing.
Yeah,
And that's-
Lay down, because Daddy's gonna pick you up. You can play outside, okay? Do you wanna go with Daddy to the gym? So na guys, sabi ko, magpaano din ako, magpa-treatment din ako. Sabi niya, libre daw niya sa akin ang treatment kasi nga, birthday mo. Ano ba talaga ang power ng birthday, right? Just waiting. Maluto ang ating birthday. What do I look like?
Pretty.
Really?
I'll fold it.
Bunaw natin kape. How dare you laugh at me? Tingnan nyo. Kailangan kong lumabas na hair salon ng ganito kasi gusto niyang mag-wearing. Buti na lang yung yung toilet malapit lang naman sa kabilang kanto ng supermarket ko. Kasi I look silly. Don't I? Naman? Ako na talaga. Ganito ang buhay nanay, guys. Gusto mo magpaganda. Pero nanay ka. Ganito talaga ang resulta.
We have a little pack come with the shampoo, conditioner, treatment in the pack, which is only for 93. Okay.
Yeah.
So it might be good to get a little bit of like that for the color, okay?
Look! Here's the woman.
Woman.
Woman of the hour. She did my hair. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna be, enjoying my birthday with my new hair. Time check tayo guys. So, it's now 12:18 ng tanghali. And, ayan na ang ating resulta ng ating hair. What do you think? Gusto ko siya guys. I like it kasi it's more, balik na tayo sa brown ngayon kasi before medyo blonde siya and then medyo dry siyang tingnan kasi nga sa kulay niya. So balik loob tayo ngayon sa brown. So ayan. More warm color instead of like cool this time. So ayan. Oh my god, I'm very happy. Sobrang happy kasi hair ko. Anyways, ayan. So bumili din ako nito guys. Yan pala yung pangalan ng salon na pinuntahan ko. So, para alagaan natin ang ating kulay ng ating buhok. So, we're like professionals. Make it vibrant, make it colorful, make it brilliant. Ganun. So, meron siyang shampoo, conditioner, and mask. Ganyan siya. Para mag-last long ang ating hair color. And then, binigyan din niya ako ng free na face mask. Diba? Hindi na ako nagpa-haircut kasi yung fringe ko guys, ako lang yung nagka-cut sa bahay. Kasi instead of magbayad pa ako, diba? Kaya ko naman sa sarili ko, ganun. Tapos yung trims din ganito, sa bahay ako lang din gumagawa. So, fully, lang talaga yung kulay kasi that's something na hindi ko nagagawa. Gusto ko professional talaga yung gumawa para, kasi yun na nga, hair is your crowning glory. So, kailangan professional yung gumagawa ng buhok mo. Kasi, but still, pag sinasabi kong professional guys, mag-ingat pa rin kayo kasi may mga place pa rin na gumagawa ng buhok na hindi pa rin nila alam. Parang hindi pa talaga sila expert talaga sa ginagawa nila. Katulad ng experience ko before na nasunog yung hair ko. So, kailangan doon ka talaga sa parang saan ka talaga nagtatrust para alagang-alaga yung Kakapark lang natin dito guys sa labas ng bahay. Drop ko to kay Daddy Mike. Food for Louie. Tapos yung binili ko for my hair. Tapos pipick upin ko rin yung dadalhin natin sa shop. So magta-top up tayo sa shop natin guys. Kasi I think nakabenta tayo from last week. Tapos kahapon and hopefully today. So dadala tayo ng more stock sa shop natin para may maibenta ulit tayo. So, hindi na ako papasok sa bahay. Sinabihan ko si Daddy Mike, nandito ako sa baba maghihintay para siya na lang yung magdala ng kasi niready ko na yung kagabi. Nag-tag na ako kagabi and in-steam ko na so maganda siyang tingnan and nilagay ko na siya sa plastic storage. Sabi ko Daddy Mike, pabit-bit na lang dito sa baba para diretso na yung lakad ko guys. Kasi yung shop kasi mag-close sila ng 4 o'clock. So, it's 1:30. Ganun. Tapos, pick upin natin sa Ate Paris ng 3 o'clock. So, bahin-bahin pa sa oras, guys. Masa na ba ka? Daddy Mike, oy. Si Celine, andun kay Daddy Mike, guys. And she's okay. Libang pagaling is Daddy Mike. Kaya juga makagawas. Actually, I really wanted to go there as well. Mag-stop muna ako. Kasi kahipon ko guys. Kung alis ako ngayon, walang kulit-kulit hanggang mamaya. So, off ko na lang muna itong sasakyan. Ayan guys. Nagtatap up ako sa rack ko guys. At dito si Meet Madam Gemma. Gemma? Pangka. Ang aking buyer. Binibili niya lahat ng paninda ko.
Sabi ko, baba mo ko doon, mangalkal ako.
Ano siya? Grabe talaga ang word na mangalkal eh. Grabe sig ka ng mangalkal.
Hindi ko yung sinasama pag nangalkal.
Asa man siya? Luwas.
Yan.
Maong lagi po lagi eh. ito dadalhin ko na to sa bahay, guys. Nag-swap ako ng mga mga bags para may naman bago sa paningin.
Sapatos ka doon na puti na maraming tawag yan.
Patches? Ano?
Girl,
Ah,
malaki sa akin dito. Kaya hindi ko kinuha.
yung Tory Burch. Wala na, nahali na, uy.
Binili ko yung isa mo ganito. Yung
Katatapos lang naming mag-post ni Ate Paris, guys. Yan, may nabenta tayo online. Yan ang buhay ng namin yan. See, may paganda. Pero may pa business din pa. May pambayad tayo sa ating magandang buka. What do you think of my hair?
Hey guys.
What do you think about my hair?
It's really nice.
You do like the color?
Wait, I want to see my hair. Oh, my hair's darker.
Yeah, mine's a little lighter than yours. Let us go. Alam niyo ba si Ate Paris today ay audition siya kasi remember last year
Yeah.
na nanalo din siya sa talent show nila, so nag-audition siya kanina. So this time yung kakantahin niya ay may rap. Rapper?
Yeah, rap.
Yeah? Okay, well, show tita. Sample. Come on na. Ito yung kakantahin ni Ate Paris.
Patrick goes to the world. It's a takedown. So sweet, so easy my eyes. I'm about to hook up these vibes. I finally open my eyes. It's time to kick you shit back into the light. The takedown, I'll take you out. You'll break down like what? The takedown, I'ma take you out and ain't gonna stop.
A few moments later.
Babe, Shubi? Wow, okay. Babe. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Baliktad yung sinihan na. Hadlo ka mawa. Hadlo ka malimo. Hadlo ka malimo?
Mommy, can you make a ponytail for me?
Yeah, hang on. Give me a second. Let me just take Louis.
Time to go. Ready, jump. 3, 2, 1, go.
Louis, boy, behind you.
Oh wait, Mama's gonna take you.
With lamb, beetroot, and green beans. Yan yung hapunan ng ating Louis. And adult chicken and rice on the side.
2 handfuls of biscuit, 1 handful of beef.